Try not to burn anything down.
Got it. I got it.
Okay.
I've already, okay, cool. Hey guys, this is my second try. I've actually already had a drink, but because I was gonna do a smoked Manhattan, but I couldn't figure out how to do the smoke. And my lovely husband found out how to do the smoke, so I'm gonna do the smoke. I'm gonna do a smoked Manhattan in my kitchen. Very excited. So, what's in a Manhattan? What is in a Manhattan is bourbon, red vermouth, I forgot how to say this, Angostura bitters, and some lovely bourbon soaked cherries, which are going to be a little bit darker than your maraschino cherries. They're going to be more a dark maroon because they've been soaking for a long time. These are actually homemade by my boss, who is wonderful. So yeah, so what we're going to do first is, at least what my husband told me to do first, safety first, is we're going to put some ice in the cup, which apparently allows the ice to get very kind of making the cup okay. So we're going to put ice in the cup first because it's going to make the cup all foggy and cold, which apparently is going to allow the smoke to adhere to the cup a little bit easier. So while I'm making the drink, I'm going to let that sit, and then we're going to do the smoke stuff. I'm very excited about it. So first and foremost, so you want to put some ice first in your cocktail glass, this glass. And you're going to do 2 ounces of bourbon. You're going to do 1 ounce of the red vermouth, which I talked on the previous episode. Red vermouth is just a kind of fortified fermented wine with brandy and other spices. Super good, super tasty, used in a lot of drinks. And then you do a couple dashes of the bitters. And then you're going to mix it. Okay, and while that's sitting, we're going to do the fire part. I'm very excited about this. And then to light this, it smells good. It's kind of hot. So don't try this at home if you are not a, I don't know, a very skilled fire maker. Okay, so I can't get a fire going, but what we're gonna do is we're just gonna use the smoke utilized from the ashes and burned areas. And we're gonna see if that works. You're gonna let it do its thing. So really what you could do if you wanted to do something like this only safely is you could actually buy a machine on Amazon for about 20-30 bucks that would actually smoke your cocktails. There's a little bit of smoke in that. You're going to take your, ooh, actually that smells real good. You're going to pour it. That's nice. And get your cherries. Look at that color, isn't that nice? It's like that deep, like, kind of amber, almost like maple syrup. Okay, so I do get it now. So you do actually smell the smoke within the drink. It's really nice. Although I'm assuming this probably didn't, you know, make as much smoke as other machines would actually make. This is super tasty. It's like woodsy. It's almost like a burnt caramel, woodsy, very easy to drink, very sippable, kind of a good fall drink almost actually. Highly recommend making this. You saw how easy it was, aside from the chips. Yeah, Montana Whiskey Co. Local to Montana. They are located in Missoula, so I'm gonna try one of these cherries. Those are good. Those are real good. Yeah, this might be a normal thing, so if you enjoy it, you should like it, you should subscribe to the channel. This might be my calling, you know? I might not be a real bartender, but I can sure fake one on YouTube. So, thank you so much for watching. Cheers! Again, drink responsibly, do this responsibly if you want to do this. It does add something extra to it, I gotta admit. This is good. Thanks for watching, guys. Till next time. It's a lot. lot of syrup on my fingers. See, that's what happened to me.